Introducing the 2017 Volkswagen Golf Comfortline 1.6tdi M5F 115HP 5 in sleek grey. This estate beauty packs a powerful 1.6-litre diesel engine with a manual transmission, perfect for any journey. Loaded with comfort and safety features such as air conditioning, cruise control, multiple airbags, LED lights, and collision avoidance braking. From the luxurious interior to the stylish exterior with roof rails and tinted windows, this Golf has it all. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on this impressive vehicle.